how to add KEK to metamask. So as you can see, open this token on CoinMarketCap. Now as you can see, this token is under Solana network, and it's not like it's easy to add it to metamask. What you need to do first is by adding the Solana network to your metamask. You need to add it first. Now after you add it, now we can like add this token to metamask. Now what you will need to do, it's by copy the token address from here, as you can see, and now click on this Radium here, and after that click on trade on Radium. Now what we need to do here in Radium, it's by connecting our wallet. So as you can see, after you add the Solana network to metamask, your metamask like icon, it will see, or it will switch it like that. Now click on it. Now after that, as you can see, click on continue, and now a Solflare wallet, it will pop up. Now click on connect. As you can see, so after you added your token, you need to buy it. So to be able to buy it on metamask, you need to like use the Solana wallet first, because you integrated to your metamask to be able to add the Solana network to metamask. Now what you need to do, it's easy. Click on swap, and now for here just click on switch, and as you can see, make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now for here just paste the token address, as you can see, and now this is our KEK token. It's available on metamask. Now click on it, and now you will be able to buy it, as you can see, and now this is how much you will receive. And after that, click on swap and you will be able to buy it. Now this is how to add the KEK token on metamask. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.